Important notes for API testing. What is API? API is an interface between different software programs or service. Simple example is, suppose you go to restaurant. Waiter act as API between client and chef. API testing is testing that APIs and its integration with the services. We need to test the REST APIs for the validation, error codes and load testing. Who used REST API, Twitter API, LinkedIn API, Slack API and many more. Benefits of SOAP over REST. A SOAP has ACID compliance transaction. Some of the applications require transactionability which is accepted by SOAP whereas REST lacks in it. Why you should perform API testing? Many of the services that we use every day rely on hundreds of different interconnected APIs. If any one of them fails, then the service will not work. Cookies are usually small text files that are stored on your computer's browser directory. Authentication is a process of presenting your credentials like username, password. Digest authentication. Authentication is performed by transmitting the password in an encrypted form. Auth authentication protocol that allows you to approve one application interacting with another on your behalf without giving away your password. The HTTP GET method requests a representation of the specified resource. Requests using GET should only be used to request data. HTTP POST is used to send data to a server to create update a resource. The HTTP PUT operation is used for a full replacement of an OSLC resource. The HTTP patch request method applies partial modifications to a resource. HTTP delete method deletes the specified resource at the origin of server. API testing is simple with 3 main steps. Send the request with necessary input data. Get the response having output data. Verify that the response returned is expected in the requirement. Postman is a standalone software testing API platform to build, test, design, modify, and document APIs. It is a simple graphic user interface for sending and viewing HTTP requests and responses. Thanks for watching. Did you find this helpful? Subscribe interview job updates.